Hi, I'm Simon Harpin. I'm the owner and founder of harpinsgardens.co.uk. I spent my life in the horticultural industry and I want to share my passion for gardening with you. When we were in lockdown, it was a bit of an eye-opener. We just realised how much of a demand there is for information and for people to get ideas for the garden. So we've come up with the idea of our garden boxes. And the boxes are there really to make it completely easy for you. In our selection boxes, we've chosen the perfect plants for your garden. We've chosen plants that are going to go with each other, that are going to complement each other. But more importantly than that, we've chosen plants that are going to give you absolutely fabulous results. We've given you the information, we've given you the fertilizer, we're going to give you everything to make your garden easy. So in our selection boxes, we've selected the plants from the best growers. We've gone the length and breadth of the country to find plants that are just top quality plants, the best quality plants that are going to give you the best results. We've made sure that it comes with the right fertilizer. We know that's a real problem for anyone who's starting in gardening, so that's sorted out for you too. We've got plants that are there for any size garden, whether it's just to fill a pot, or whether it's for your balcony, or whether you've got acres. We've got the plants that are right for you. What we want to do is make your garden easy. So, like I say, it's all about making gardening easy for you. We want to make gardening accessible. We know gardening's fabulous for everyone's health. It's great to be out here in your garden. And what we want you to do is just get the best results. So if you come on, get in touch with us at harpinsgardens.co.uk and you'll find our selection boxes are there to make your garden, your dream garden come true.